So today, guys, we're driving a Toyota FJ Cruiser, which is, as you can see behind us, funky looking thing.
I love the back end. One thing we noticed right away, which is hilarious, is there's a giant nail just stuck in this tire. So this thing's fucking useless.
It's just there for show.
Yeah.
But it does look mean.
It's got this sick ass hydraulic back door, which is fucking massive. And the one thing is, you see these here, this window opens. We have no idea how to open it. We looked everywhere, there's no button, there's nothing. You can't just push it open. It's a useless, we're kind of obsessed with it, but we're gonna move on. It's just a window, not that important.
You've seen the angle of these doors, Alex?
Not really.
When it's open, it's like, it looks like it's fallen out the car.
It's hanging out.
That does not look normal.
Aggressive, you know?
It's fucking sick though.
Yeah, I love it.
Woo! One thing we noticed on the highway is this drives pretty smoothly. It was pretty comfortable, and it's got some grunt. It's got some get up and go. So it's a 4-litre V6 up front, 230 brake horsepower or so, and this one is the 4-wheel drive version. What have we got under the hood? Ooh, the V6.
Yeah, so you just count these little plastic things, and
Yeah.
you know it's got 6 cylinders. Genius.
She's a bit raspy.
Raspy.
Yeah.
So,
Go and have a listen. First thing you notice about this interior is the driving position. You've got everything like in front of you. It's a square-on dash. Like, these buttons are huge. I guess they're designed so you can use them with gloves, but it kind of looks like Fisher-Price My First Toy Car. I know that's common in other Toyotas as well. Maybe people like that. It's definitely a particular aesthetic. Let's hit the road. So I've been driving this car for a few hours now, and I'm actually growing to like it. I mean, the styling is definitely out there. The interior is pretty basic.
and we're definitely used to driving on paved roads only and avoiding all dirt roads because we've been only driving cars so far. And it's been amazing just pulling onto side roads and gunning her and having traction the whole time.
It really stands out. It really stands out from the crowd. We parked up to get some lunch, and it's like that is a center point of the car park.
And this thing's got a reputation. Like, a guy with a lifted Jeep drove by with like massive burly tires, and he gave us both a head nod. I was like, the fuck, I guess Jeep owners respect this thing too. Like,
Yeah.
it's got a reputation.
And driving around town, the driving position is pretty cool. Like, yeah, the dashboard is weird and it's right in your face, but you're so high up. I can see why people like these things.
I've never driven in a Hummer, but I'm guessing this is what it feels like. Japanese Hummer. They need to make more of these, like, seriously.
We didn't even expect to find anywhere to take this thing off-road.
Found a secret path. This is great.
Just shows what you get when you just drive with no aim in mind.
We are currently mountain climbing in the middle of Ontario. We don't have any idea how we got here. Oh my god, man. Where are we going?
Lost the camera.
What is
Oh, we
this?
found the ski resort.
This is the fucking ski resort. Oh my god. Going up to the top of a fucking ski hill
In a car.
without even knowing it. Holy shit. Look at that shit. Oh man, what? It's still got snow on it. What? Oh, look at this. This is crazy. No way. What do we got? What do we got? A dip?
Yeah. Oh.
Alright.
Your car, but this one just climbed to the top of a ski resort. We just climbed to the top of a ski run in a car.
That just happened. We didn't even know where this was going. This is insane.
I didn't even think we'd get to use the high range or low range gear today, but we used everything this car had.
Yes. Fully approve
Good
of
go.
the FJ Cruiser. Look at this shit. Doing good, man. How you doing? Woo!
The things we do to get the shots for you guys. What you doing on the roof there, Alex?
I'm going for a ride, that's all. Just having a good time.
Oh yeah. Riding it, baby. All right, let's roll. What? Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. How was that?
I did it in slow-mo just because.
Gotta see it. This looks like Africa, man. What the fuck?
What did we just do?
I mean, this is what it's meant for, right? Like, getting it dirty is kind of the point. That's a nice puddle. I didn't expect to find a nice puddle today, and I'm pretty happy about the puddle that we found. That's all I have to say, really. Thank you.
I just wanted to say that the charm this car has and the joy it brings really make up for the downsides for me. It's a lot. It's a lot car. Is it $60,000 worth of car? I don't know that it is.
But then, again, like, I'm absolutely in love with this car. After we've gone through the mud with it, we've gone up a ski hill with it, and it's smooth as fuck on any road.
And it's got some get up and go.
I mean, I could see myself shedding out some money to buy maybe a used one, 200K, and I know it's still gonna run for a while because it's a fucking beast.
So, weekend driver, daily driver, what do you think?
It's a weekend driver, for sure.
I think it meets both, to be honest. This is functional,